The high-level security meeting brought together security chiefs from the 47 counties as the government seeks to tighten security loopholes and secure the country's border. It is here that the Interior Ministry warned it will be cracking down on illegal migrants following the expiry of a 2-month amnesty period for foreigners. To give their details to the ministry,
in our data, we had 34,550 as the people who are registered to have work permits in the country. And the figures that emerged were those foreigners who walked to Nyayo House to be verified and registered were 26,552. So you can actually see from what we have in the database, there is a variation. And that's the variation. I've been struggling this morning to establish exactly who are these people who did not come. And of course, when we do the analysis, we'll find out that probably some of them did not really pay for those work permits, or others could be having work permits which are very fake.
According to Immigration, Border Control and Registration of Persons PS Gordon Kihalangwa, the audit has revealed that more than 9,000 foreigners do not have proper documentation to allow them to work in the country. Kihalangwa has promised to make public the report on Tuesday, says only 26,552 foreigners are registered to work in the country.
We noticed that a number of people do not have the relevant papers to work in this country. 2, we are also realizing a trend where there are certain nationalities, to be very precise, from all nationalities, were engaged in business, but it could not be established whether they were really having the proper work permits or not. We are therefore in the process of exactly cleaning up that data so that we are able to sieve from the 34 and then the 26,000, then the balance we'll want to establish. What I'm therefore requesting for the administrators is we now establish those people who are engaged in jobs and they don't have documents. This is really a very serious thing. One, it is serious to the employers who are engaged employing foreigners who are not working. It is an offense and it will be dealt with very seriously. The second thing, that it's also a warning to the people of the work permit issuance that we are going to put in stringent measures. One, we will not really issue permits to people or rather jobs which can be done with our people.
At the same time, the Interior CS Dr. Matiang'i warned county chiefs against engaging in politics, urging them to crack the whip.
That contrary to what has appeared in sections of the media, that APS is going to be scrapped, I want to say that is not true, because that will be unconstitutional and we cannot do that at all.
The two services, the Kenya Police Services and the Administration Police Services, are provided for in the Constitution. You can't disband them by a whim. I can't wake up in the morning as minister and say we have disbanded them. You have to amend the Constitution. So
Matiang'i dismissed claims of a plot by government to disband the administration police service, saying the ongoing police reforms were meant to streamline operations. Linus Moshigadi for Channel 1 News.